Hello everyone. Today's point of discussion is electrophilic substitution reactions of benzoic acid. Now very first thing is benzoic acid is aromatic monocarboxylic acid in which carboxyl group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Now carboxyl group is somehow what deactivating group. Deactivating groups are those which reduces reactivity of the ring towards electrophilic substitution. Now take a look. So that thing can be understood by knowing the resonating structures of it. So benzoic acid can be given as, so this is the benzoic acid. Now exactly what happens right here, we know very well that oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, so this electron pair gets shifted to like this, that lead to the negative charge on the oxygen, and this carbon, in order to nullify its charge, it may attract electrons of the ring, I mean pi electrons like this, so that lead to the positive charge at this carbon. So the resonating structure so obtained can be given as, so this is negative double, and this carbon would bear what? Positive charge. Now this pi electrons get shared like this, so the charge on this carbon get rotated in this way, so now this carbon would acquire positive. So the further resonating structure, I mean next resonating structure which can be given as, so this is the resonating structure so obtained. Now next big thing is this pi electrons get shifted like this, so charge on this carbon may get transferred to this, so the further resonating structure of it which can be drawn is like this. So this is the resonating structure. Now lastly what happens, this electrons may get shifted like this, so that this carbon would bear positive, so this electron may come like this. So last resonating structure for this thing may be given in this manner. So if this is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So point to be noted are, first thing is resonating structure number 2, 3 and 4. In those structures what is happening, position 2, position 4 and position 6 acquired positive charge. So incoming electrophile, if any electrophile comes to attack the ring, so electrophile would attack the meta position rather attacking ortho and para. So first very important thing is, as this carboxyl group attracts electron from the ring, it is deactivating for sure, deactivating the ring. And second very important thing is, ortho and para positions have positive charges, I mean electrophile would not attack those spots. Thus, if any electrophile comes, then that electrophile prefer to attack at meta position. Thus, carboxyl group is deactivating and meta directing. Now let's see some of the examples of electrophilic substitution. So very first thing is a nitration reaction. Remember, nitration reaction means reaction with nitric acid, but plain nitric acid is not a good nitrating agent. Thus we often use nitrating mixture for nitration purpose. So when benzoic acid is heated with nitrating mixture, that is mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, this mixture is called nitrating mixture, and attacking electrophile is a nitronium ion. Earlier we have discussed that carboxyl group attached to the ring is meta directing. Thus the nitronium ion NO2 plus prefer to attack the meta position of the ring, so that lead to the formation of meta nitrobenzoic acid. Second very important electrophilic substitution to be discussed is bromination reaction. So bromination of benzoic acid, remember bromination is reaction with bromine in presence of electrophile initiator like ferric bromide, I mean FeBr3. Thus when benzoic acid is treated with bromine in presence of FeBr3, now right here role of FeBr3 is to initiate electrophile Br plus, that is bromonium ion, and initiated bromonium ion prefer to attack the meta position of the ring, so that lead to the formation of meta bromobenzoic acid along with HBr. Thus, so this is meta bromobenzoic acid. So in this way meta position ultimately get attacked by the electrophile. Thank you very much.